In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use filter function in Microsoft Excel. We'll go through a simple example so you can see exactly how the function works and how to adapt it to your own worksheet. The filter function is useful when you want Excel to return only the rows that match a specific condition without manually sorting or hiding data. To begin, open the Excel workbook where you want to use the filter function. This can be any workbook as long as it contains the data you want to filter. In this example, the sample data is placed in cells A1 through B4. Before entering the formula, take a quick moment to identify your data range and the column that contains the value you want to filter by. That will make the formula much easier to understand. Next, click on cell D1. This is where the filtered results will appear. In that cell, type the formula equals filter, then an opening parenthesis, then A2 colon B4, followed by a comma, then B2 colon B4 equals sales and quotation marks, and finally a closing parenthesis. So the formula should look like this when typed correctly: equals filter, open parenthesis, A2 colon B4, comma, B2 colon B4 equals quotation mark, sales quotation mark, close parenthesis. This formula tells Excel to return the data from the range A2 through B4, but only for the rows where the values in B2 through B4 are equal to sales. If you're working with your own worksheet, you can modify this formula to fit your data. Replace the sample range with the range that contains your actual table, and if you want to filter for a different department or category, simply replace the word sales with the value you need. Just make sure the condition matches the correct column in your data set. Once the formula is entered, press enter. Excel will immediately return only the matching rows, in this case the employees who belong to the sales department. You'll also notice that the results automatically spill into the cells below D1. That means Excel fills in the full filtered result for you, as long as there is enough empty space underneath. This automatic spill behavior is one of the most helpful parts of dynamic array functions in modern Excel because it saves time and updates results more smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully used the filter function in Microsoft Excel